Hello, today I would like to show you my favorite sat-nav software that works on any Android device. This is called Sygic Truck. Testing it very fast. As you can see, it shows all the restriction and gives the best route. So it works quite fine, and the graphics is so much better than on the Ego. Normally the other GPS software gives a route through here, but right now this road is under construction, and I suspect that Sygic Truck can see this, and it merely gives the best route possible. The point is that it's working fine and it's quite reliable. As long as it doesn't get me to the restrictions, it's fine. Now I'm going to select a far away destination. This is Lisboa, Portugal. It's as far away as possible on this continent. Boom, calculated quite very fast, and now it's going to calculate the alternatives. Of course, everyone can just add intermediary points anywhere they want and customize and create their own routes. I'm pretty sure everyone is going to select the fastest one. This one that goes through Monaco is quite the most popular choice. As you can see, this is quite a faraway destination, about 3000 kilometers, and it's calculated in a matter of seconds. Adding intermediary point through Kiev, it is quite very far away. You can see the route is now more than 5000 kilometers and it's calculated quite very fast. The software doesn't bug, doesn't crash, no errors, everything is fine. It is fast and reliable. It also calculates the alternatives. As you can see, you can choose one of these three alternatives. The GPS automatically gives the best choice, but you can always customize it the way you want it. Okay, and we are ready to go. Let's see where we can add another point, and we're gonna add it here in Latvia. This is very far away, and now travel via Latvia. Calculating quite very fast. This tablet is a Lenovo P11 Plus. It is a very capable tablet with a very good processor. And the display, wow, it is 11-inch display. with a IPS screen with vivid colors and quite very visible. It's quite nice to have it. As you can see, this is 15,000 kilometers route calculated, no problem, and I'm still adding Amsterdam to make it as far away as possible. Okay, so we are ready to go. These are my parameters. You can choose all the parameters like in most professional GPS softwares. You can choose height, weight, and all the rest of it. You can go to route planning and you can choose to avoid unpaved roads and whatever your preference are. And what makes this application quite special is the points of interest, because you can pretty much find everything you need here, from gas stations to food, groceries, and restaurants. And when you're a truck driver, you're going to want to see the restaurants and the places where you can eat on the map. Shopping. As a truck driver, you will always want to be able to acquire supplies, especially groceries. Shop center, we want to see it on the map. Supermarkets, always. Mhm. Now let's check it to see if it shows on the map as it's supposed to. Going to Lisboa, slowly, slowly, slowly. You can see all the roads under constructions. You can see all the restrictions. There you can see it's a 1 meter. Yeah, it's 1 meter. 1 meter wide restrictions. Okay. We can see the supermarkets and we can see A little bit more than I'm interested in. I don't really care about these parking spots and some of the shops. So I'm going to check the settings later and remove some of the points of interest. These are the grocery shops that we are interested in. Yeah. Everything shows on the map, everything is working fine, and this is quite very useful for a truck driver. When you are in a town you've never seen before, having this GPS, it's a lifesaver. I mean, sure, you always probably can have Google Maps, but what if you don't have access to the internet? This GPS works offline and is super reliable. Okay, now let's check the settings and see what we don't need. Yeah, no parking. Coach and lorry parking, don't even know what's that. No need to rent cars. Shops don't need all shops, only needs food related shops. Let's see now, how does it look? And it looks a lot better, a lot cleaner, only the things we are interested in. Nope. There's still a lot of stuff that we don't care about. Let's go back to settings, map, points of interest. Vehicle services? We don't need all this stuff. Okay. Car, no. Charging station, no. Don't need all this shit on the map. Let's disable all this stuff we are not interested in. I'm gonna leave toll enabled. Vehicle equipment provider. Not really sure about that. Let's see, what else? We don't need all these factories and no. Let's disable all these warehouses. I'm not really sure. We might be interested in warehouses because that's often where we go to load or unload our trucks. Of course, once you get familiar with this software, you're going to be able to customize it to your own liking and needs. You can see the restrictions it's showing on the map, and you can see the map is very clean and only with the points of interest we need. Shopping centers, yep. Very good. Man, this is fantastic. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please give a like.